How to send mail in Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can send mail in Gmail. Now sending mail in Gmail is quite simple. All you have to do is open the app and here log into the Gmail account. You'll get an interface like this. Now once here what you want to do is tap on the compose option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on compose and here you can see it's from your Gmail account. Here to select the receiver that you want to send the mail to. I'll just select one here. And then what you want to do is type in email. If you want, you can add subject here first and then type in the email that you want to send. Compose your mail. Here you can see anything that you want, and then here what you can do is add files as well. To be able to add files, tap on the little round icon that you can see, there a little pin type icon beside the send icon there. Simply tap on it and tap on attach file, or you can insert it from your drive and you'll be able to attach files as well. And once you do it, all you have to do is tap on the send option at the top right corner of the screen and then it'll be sent. You can see. So this way you can send mail in Google or Gmail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.